How to use TikTok Duet feature in 2026. So first thing that you need to do is simply open your TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account just like this, right? So after doing that here, in order to do it, all you need to do is select the particular video, then tap on the share icon right here. Also, you need to remember that if that creator has turned off their duet option on their video, you won't actually be able to do it. If you swipe to left, you'll be able to see the option of duet. Simply tap on it, and now you will be able to see your camera being opened. From here, you can now start recording yourself just like this. If you want to add video, you can if you want to add filter, you can simply do that. And after, simply I'm going to record myself just like this. After recording yourself, all you need to do is simply tap on the tick icon right here. Then you will be able to see that your duet has successfully been created. All you need to do is tap on next, add in captions if you want, hashtag and mentions. All you need to do is tap on post, and like that you will be able to use your TikTok duet feature in 2026.